Hi everybody! Today we're going to do a worksheet over pronoun verb agreement. Just like we have subject-verb agreement, we need to make sure that our pronoun and our verbs agree as well. So, what is a pronoun? Do you remember? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Right. So, we wouldn't be saying things like, Miss W has a dog named Gibby. Miss W likes to take him for walks. Miss W's dog is very snuggly, right? We need to use those pronouns to make our sentences flow easier. So it would be Miss W has a dog named Gibby and he is very snuggly. We could combine those together. So take a look at the text box right in here. Let's look at the first one right here. Verbs show action in sentences and when that action happens. Verbs tell about actions that are happening now are in the present tense, right now. Do you remember how we did that in class? Right now. Take a look at the second bullet point. You add S or ES to the verb when the pronoun in the subject is he, she, or it. Okay? We are building on to what we've learned before about adding S and ES to verbs with singular and plural subjects. Okay? We're going to apply that to pronouns as well. Here we go. Look at the next bullet point. You do not, add S or ES to the verb when the pronoun in the subject is I, you, we, or they. Okay, let's take a look at our examples right here. She barks very loudly. Let's find she. I'm going to double check. This looks very important, so I'm going to underline it so I remember. Do I add the S if it's she? Yes, I do. She barks very loudly. They bark even more loudly. So here's my next one. I'm going to underline so I remember. S, we do not add S or ES if it's I, you, we, or they. So that one is just fine, just the way it is. Okay? All right. Let's scooch on down. We're going to underline the present tense verb in parentheses. So they're giving us the present tense verb. It's in the parentheses that agrees with the subject pronoun. Then write each sentence correctly. Okay, so let's read number one. You find or finds dogs of all different types. Let's pick one and see if it sounds okay. You find dogs of all different types. Okay, read it with the other one. You finds dogs of all different types. Does that sound a little strange to you? It does to me too. So, take a look. Our subject is you. Let's go back up here. Let's find you. Oh, look. Do not add S or ES if it's you. So, we are not going to add that. No way. We don't need that one. So, we're going to use find. And then go ahead and write it out. You find dogs of all different types. Don't forget you need a capital letter, punctuation at the end. Take a look at number 2. Here's the verb that we're going to choose from. We have choose and chooses. He chooses the ones that are the best. So if you want to, you can go ahead and look right up here. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. He is our subject. You find him up here. He. There he is. He. Do we need to add S or ES? Yes, we do. Okay. So, chooses. He chooses the ones that are the best. That sounds good. What if we went with the other one? He choose the ones that are the best. That doesn't sound right either, does it? He chooses the ones that are the best. That one works. Then you're going to go ahead and write it right on out. He chooses the ones that are the best. That are the best. There we go. And we've got 3 more to do. I would like for you to do these independently, okay? When you're done with this video and you finish number 3, 4, and 5 all by yourself, then you can click back on the PowerPoint to check your answers, okay? Read them out loud, and you can a lot of times hear which ones do not sound right. Always go back. You can look at the list that they gave us, okay? Have fun.